Bioprinting organs are fabrications that are widely used. This bioprinting thing, मतलब हमारी जो स्टेम सेल्स होती है, स्टेम सेल्स से हमारे ऑर्गन्स बनाने की रिसर्च अभी चल रही है रिसेंटली. There are cells, mostly stem cells, the hydrogel and the bioprinters. These equipments are used to make up the bioprinting tissues or the organs. And this process is next pre-printing, bioprinting and the post-printing. Then the currently progressed organs are make up the in recently studies ear, kidneys, blood vessels और स्क्रीन ग्राफ्ट्स और बोन्स. मतलब जो अभी पेशेंट्स वगैरह है वो डोनेट करने के लिए ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, वो मतलब उसकी कमी पड़ रही है, इसलिए हमारी बॉडी सिस्टम सेल्स यूज़ करके उसे ऑर्गन्स डेवलप कर रहे हैं, बनाने रही है. इसकी स्टडी चल रही है. रिसेंटली स्टडी इज द न्यू स्किन, कार्टिलेज बोन्स, रिप्लेसमेंट टिश्यू एंड रिप्लेसमेंट ऑर्गन्स. दीज आर द रिसेंटली ओवर टू सी.
Specifically saying kill animals, plants and people like our human beings. First aid comes produce the mustard gas, which is a biological agent. There are targets, obviously. First is the human beings.
Zoological Survey pharmaceutical waste in America as well as the India. First is the America hospital pharmacy in the United States purchases over the 4 billion hazardous pharmaceutical annually, generating more than the 84,000 tons of the hazardous waste. According to the US Geological Survey, pharmaceutical contaminants were found in the 80% of the sampled water. In this, waste can involve the solid, liquid, gases and radioactive substances with different methods and filled out size for each. So now we can see the disposal method. First is which can be disposable, it return to the manufacturer. The second bit is the incineration.
When we are making any product, we are adding some preservatives or many products, so the validity of the product can be
study because it is a modern technique. Then it is very economical and it has some post recovery issues. Nanoparticles are classified into various types.
The great one COVID-19 epidemic because they have ground level for asthma and etc. And community education and antiseptic solution creation. That is the content of the antiseptic.
Chronic systematic inflammatory disease characterized by inflammation of synovial cardiovascular extract, vertex nicotine extract. These have the anti-inflammatory activity basically for that.
Steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, metabolics, non-biological disease modifying antibiotic drugs.
Lavender oil and SIPS.
Concluded this product is good. Whatever advocate formulations.
Mosquito repellent property and also having a additional properties, moisture the skin and having anti-inflammatory and lightening of skin. So formulation of our use the orange peel had paraffin, soft paraffin सिरप.
आणि मेन म्हणजे त्याला आम्ही यूज करून पाहिलेले 3 दिवस, त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही ते सांगू शकतो की हे इफेक्टिव्ह आहेत.
Sir, we have immense pleasure to present this poster in front of you. Heartily welcome, sir. Firstly, I would like to explain what is the antibiotic resistance. The term antibiotic is first found by Lord William in 1889. Anti means against, bios means life. The antibiotic means it is a medicine used for the treatment of kill the growth of microorganisms. Example of antibiotic being implemented.
Can we avoid
एक्सपेन्सिव्ह गोष्टी घ्यायच्या नाहीत आणि तुम्हाला डेली रुटीन पाहिजे तर तुम्ही अशा प्रकारच्या हॅबिट्स फॉलो करू शकता. पण एक आहे की ह्या सगळ्या तुम्ही हॅबिट्स तुमच्या एकमेकांसोबत फॉलो केल्या पाहिजे, नाहीतर कारण त्या एकमेकांना कॉम्प्लिमेंट करतात आणि ह्या जर एकमेकांसोबत केल्या तर त्यांचा जास्त प्रमाणात चांगल्या प्रमाणात इफेक्ट होऊ शकतो. जर अशा प्रकारचं अशा प्रकारच्या पोस्टरद्वारे मी काय करू शकतो मला काय करायचं आहे की मला अवेअरनेस क्रिएट करायचं पब्लिकमध्ये, जेणेकरून आपण एक स्टेप जवळ जाऊ की आपल्याला फार्मासिस्टचं अल्टिमेट ध्येय आहे की समाजाला हेल्दी बनवायचं आणि हॅपी बनवायचं. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. अशा गोष्टी की त्या आपण रुटीनमध्ये जर फॉलो केल्या तशा खूप गोष्टी सांगता येतील आपल्याला. पण या 8 अशा गोष्टी आहेत की त्या वेगवेगळ्या जेंडरनुसार किंवा वेगवेगळ्या एज ग्रुपमध्ये तुम्ही कुठेही फॉलो करू शकता. किंवा ह्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही ॲड करायचं असलं तर अजून 1-2 गोष्टी आहेत की तुम्ही थोड्या प्रमाणामध्ये अल्कोहोलचं सेवन करू शकता. पण ते एज ग्रुपनुसार मॅटर करतं ना सर. तुम्ही छोट्या एज ग्रुपसाठी किंवा महिलांसाठी किंवा म्हणजे ज्या छोट्या महिला आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी तुम्ही सांगू शकत नाही. त्याच्यामुळं अशा प्रकारच्या म्हणजे
I would like to flash on this
पर्सन हायजीन.
I want to know that you are taking too much care, okay, related to your hygiene. Then this is the complete contraindication sentence that your immunity will boost, because immunity boost kadi hoil when you are in the worst condition. At that time, number of organisms will expose your body, and at that time your immune response will trigger, and number of antibodies will excrete your blood. जर तुम्ही ऑलरेडी जर पर्सनल हायजीन जर मेंटेन करताय तर युअर इम्युनिटी विल नॉट बूस्ट, आय थिंक. सो व्हॉट इज युअर व्हाय हॅव यू मीन्स हाऊ विल यू आन्सर और हाऊ विल यू डिफेंड दिस क्वेश्चन?
सर हा असा क्वेश्चन आहे की आता आपण कोरोनाचं एक उदाहरण घेऊ. आपण कायम मास्क वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे कंटेजिनस दिसत आहेत जे स्पर्शाद्वारे वगैरे पसरत आहे. त्यासाठी आहे किंवा तुमचे जर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही ॲडव्हर्टाईज बघितली असेल डेटॉलचे वगैरे ते म्हणतात 99% ते किल करतात, पण ते 1% राहतात सर ते त्यामध्ये. त्यासाठी आपण इतर फॅक्टर्स सगळी केली.
देर आर 2 types of the sleep: rapid eye movement sleep, non-rapid eye movement. So which sleep is needed to boost the immunity?
People are selling green bottles and green color liquids by under the name of organic, herbal. No ma'am, you have to first read the ingredient list. Go in the ingredient list, let's check which chemicals are there. And the purpose of this poster is that I want to make people educate about the toxic chemicals, which chemicals you have to use, you don't have to use. There are some certain formulations and products also in the market, such as if we talk about the toothpaste, Vicco has the Dant Manjan and toothpaste in 100% herbal form. They even use a 1% chemical also. Even their base is also 100% organic and herbal. So if we use such products which are 100% organic, we can avoid such health risks. Kama, I think it's in Kerala. Their manufacturing plant is in Kerala. And it can cause toxic effects such as damage to the lungs, reproductive system, pancreatic cancer, fatigue, weakness, and depression. If you have observed, musk is a fragrant substance which is used for a long-lasting fragrance, and musk is but mosquito is a synthetic derivative of musk. Musk is organic, but if we go in the market and search for a perfume which is 100% made of musk, but it costs so much. So people have done synthetic musk, which is cheap.
After that, the antibiotic resistance are cells which are able to grow in our body, and after that, some bacteria may give the antibiotic resistance to our bacterium. The main causes of the antibiotic resistance are the overuse of antibiotics in our body, and more use of the antibiotic in agriculture, self-medication of the antibiotics, uses of the antibiotics in poultry, receive the antibiotics in the agriculture, and uses of the antibiotics in the cattle fields. So let us discuss about the control and prevention. First is the individual means proper use of antibiotics is always safe, but more use of antibiotics is not safe. We will control about the policy makers and health professionals, which also improve the knowledge about the antibiotic resistance to our peoples. It also helps to prevent or control the antibiotic resistance. And if we will use the low concentration of the antibiotics in agriculture sectors or also healthcare industry. And most important fact is avoid the OTC, over the counter of the antibiotics. These are the major problem in our India. The antibiotics being prescribed on the OTC. My conclusion is the antibiotic resistance is the biggest threat to the global and development today. Antibiotic resistance occurs naturally and it also misused and overused in India. My conclusion.
What is the mechanism? What is the, I want to know what is
रेजिस्टन्स मीन्स फर्स्टली जेव्हा आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये एखादं बॅक्टेरियल इन्फेक्शन होतं तेव्हा अँटीबायोटिक्स ते किल करते आफ्टर दॅट म्युटेशनवरून आपलं जे बॅक्टेरिया आहे त्यांना असं रेजिस्ट होतात एखाद्या इन्फेक्शनच्या ते किल करू शकत नाही
explain the resistance? How are they getting
म्युटेशन होतं बॅक्टेरियाचं
they create the endospore, right? That's why microorganisms create the endospore and protect themselves.
Ancient times for treatment and prevention of the diseases. The number of people are seeking alternates day and the therapy is growing exponentially. The use of herbal medicines is growing worldwide, not only because they are inexpensive, but also for our better cultural acceptability and they have fewer side effects. About 90% of people in Africa use the herbal medicines, while only 70% people in India.
First one is traditional formulations, then conventional formulations, and then modern formulations. In traditional formulations, there are also three subtypes. First one is Ayurvedic, then Unani, and then homeopathic. In Ayurvedic, there is an example of Bahamas and Sativa, and in Unani, there is an example of solid herb. And then conventional formulation, where there are various types of formulations in conventional formulation. Likewise, tablet, capsules, syrup, suppositories, ointment, gel, eye drops, ear drops, granules, etc. And in modern formulation, there are also three types. First one is phytosomes, then liposomes, then nanoparticles, etc. Then movements, advantages and disadvantages. They are easily available and they are culturally accepted. The herbal formulations are economical as compared to the synthetic. And they are easy and they have fewer side effects because they work through the polyfunctional mechanism. And disadvantages are the phytoconstituents vary according to the geographical area. And if there is a then it is a dry process. After that, there is a diagram showing herbal formulations, raw material used for the herbal formulations, and there are various types of herbs used for the herbal formulations.
Myself, Anusaya Balaji Bhosle. I am from our college name is Shivai Charitable College of Pharmacy, Koregaon, Gulbarga. Today's my topic is critical diseases and their causes. I want to say about this that what are the viruses and what are the diseases going from last years now. Our abstract is epidemiology means the study of diseases and the dynamic and the determination of disease. The risk of viral infections are in the clinical research determined by characteristics both of the viruses and the level of inert and activated resistance in the community. This I have to say about this that the virus means in the case came from the diseases and infections. And this is the social history of viral diseases. There are so many types of viral diseases which came from the animals. Such as like Zika virus, ARS virus means the coronavirus, which came from the virus, chikungunya virus. History, I want to say this the first virus was identified from the 19th century by ended. In the virus guys and Beijing's identify the discovered food and to the disease virus. These are agents.
First line, contains like a simple capsule that is soluble, actually a tiny camera which captures images inside the stomach and which is helpful in diagnosing the diseases that occurs in the stomach. Data is invented by the scientist Gabriel Itten in the year 2000 Israel, and it is approved by FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration, in the year 2001.
Immunostimulation is the activity that increase the efficiency of immune system. Immunostimulants are the drugs which can increase the activity of immune system. These are the drugs boost the immune system.
Stimulate the immune system for specific antigens. आता आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये एखाद्या अँटीजन्स आढळला तर ते स्पेसिफिकच अँटीजनला हे ड्रग यूज करू शकतो आपण. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वॅक्सिन्स मोनोक्लोनल अँटीबायोटिक्स, परत ॲमॉक्सिसॅब जे आहे ते मोनोक्लोनल अँटीबायोटिक्सचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. नॉन स्पेसिफिक म्हणजे कुठलीही अँटीजन आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये आलं तर ते स्पेसिफिकला न करता कुठल्याही अँटीजनला ते हे करू शकतो अगेन्स्ट आहे. इंटरल्युकिन फर्स्ट, इंटरल्युकिन सेकंड, दॅट इज टी हेल्पर क्लोरिफिकेशन आणि ग्लुकॅड फायब्रोसिस. सो द मोटिव्ह बिहाइंड टेकिंग दिस टॉपिक इज म्हणजे रिसेंट कंडिशनमध्ये आपण कोविड-19मध्ये पाहिलं की इम्युन सिस्टीम पेशंटची इम्युन सिस्टीम खूपच वीक होत होती. त्याच्यामुळे त्या कंडिशनमध्ये इम्युनोमॉड्युलेटर्सने खूप वाईटल रोल हा प्रेझेंट केला. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही हा टॉपिक चूज केलेला आहे. या कंडिशनमध्ये पेशंट जे आहे ते त्यांना अँटी इन्फ्लामेटरी ड्रग्ज द्यायची खूप म्हणजे गरज लागली. कारण हे रेस्पिरेटरी क्रोनिक डिसीज आढळल्यामुळे हे आम्ही ड्रग्स यूज केले होते, ज्याच्यामध्ये कोणते कोलिचिन, कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड आणि फ्लोक्सामाइन. कोलिचिन आणि कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड जे आहेत हे अँटी इन्फ्लामेटरी ड्रग्स म्हणून यूज केले आणि फ्लोक्सामाइन जे आहे ते मूड डिसऑर्डर्स. आता कोविडमध्ये खूप सारे मूड डिसऑर्डर्स पेशंटमध्ये आढळून आले. अशा कंडिशनला रेजिस्ट करण्यासाठी आपण हा ड्रग यूज केला.
So what is your conclusion?
These immunomodulators boost the immune system.
Or suppress? What?
Stimulates or suppress. It depends on the treatment.
समझाओ आपका what is work behind this and what is the outcome? Okay?
Online pharmacy, before moving towards our subject, online pharmacy is available because there is no face-to-face communication in COVID-19. So online pharmacy is available. And online pharmacy is an internet-based vendor that sells medicines, includes both legitimate and illegitimate pharmacies. Online platforms for ordering medicine, healthcare products, and diagnostic tests. Advantages of online pharmacy is efficient delivery and simple ordering process is available, and quick treatment with one click on online pharmacy. It available on expert advice and guidance is available on online pharmacy. District services that's in online pharmacy. तेव्हा आपण ऑनलाईन फार्मसीद्वारे इंटरॅक्शन होत नाही. हा एक डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस आहे. त्यामध्ये जे पेशंटचे ऑनलाईन फार्मसी इज रिगार्डिंग अँड वर्क इन फ्युचर इन पेंडेमिक कंडिशन्स.
No, what is your opinion? Good or bad?
Yes, sir. So, very specific objective.
AIचं फार्मास्युटिकल कसं अप्लाय केलं रोबोटिक सर्जरी होतं, स्मार्ट वॉच आपण बेस जायचं BPM किती आहे, त्याचं हार्टबीट, ऑक्सिजन लेवल आहे, प्रत्येक वेळेस हॉस्पिटल खायची गरज हजार रुपयाची तुम्ही स्मार्ट वॉच घेतला तिथे तुमचं BPM सांगू शकते, ऑक्सिजन सांगू शकते, किंवा करू शकता. तुम्ही 50,000ची घेतलं त्यात अजून काही बँक इंटेलिजन्स होऊ शकते. कॅलिफोर्नियामध्ये ॲपलची केस होती. तो एक 65 इयर्सचा माणूस होता, तो पडला झाडावरती, तो पडला, फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट केलं त्याच्या वॉचने आणि त्यांनी 911ला कॉल करून सांगितलं की ते फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट झालं, तुम्ही ॲम्ब्युलन्स पाठवा. त्याच्यावर त्याची लाईफ सेव्ह झाली. हे असं
म्हणजे इंटेलिजन्सनं सगळ्या गोष्टी प्रोव्हाइड केल्या. तो पेशंट वाचला पण सर?
हां,
नाही
वाचला पेशंट वाचला.
The subject name is role of melatonin containing bioactive group in the management of chronic disorder.
कौन से chronic disorder में respiratory disease, diabetes, सब लिपिड reduce the lipid on the curd. Yes?
Only one pedal, but total instrument 6 pedal are connected to the standard.
Do you prefer this herbal capsule?
Just tell me the antiretroviral. Explain on it.
It is a medicinal HIV
Use करेंगे?
powder है नीम loose powder
एक directly attack on the RNA, and secondly directly attack on the cell.
These are the shelf life of the product. तुम्ही सांगता ते shelf life of the product. My question is what is the validation?
Title of from last so many years, around 20-25 years, everyone is watching all these things on television, reading the newspaper. So what is the new thing you have put in this poster?
If someone says he is HIV infected, they start hating that person, means they dislike that person. We should actually hate the disease, means HIV. We should help that person to create awareness.